Part 2. Our Physiotherapy Modalities, Benefits and Individual Fees. At Soft Touch Chiropractic, chiropractic adjustment is only one part of the care available in our office. Depending on your examination findings and individual needs, we may recommend physiotherapy to address muscle tightness, muscle spasm, joint stiffness, restricted movement, soft tissue problems, and certain spinal or disc-related conditions. Patients may receive these services individually or as part of one of our discounted physiotherapy packages. Please note, instrument massage may be incorporated into appropriate treatment packages, but we do not offer instrument massage by itself as an individual physiotherapy service. 1. Electrical stimulation, $65. Electrical stimulation uses controlled electrical impulses delivered through pads placed on the skin. It may be used to help temporarily reduce pain, relax muscle spasms, reduce muscle tension, stimulate muscles and nerves, improve local circulation. Individual fee, $65. 2. Post-isometric resistance exercise and stretch, $70. Post-isometric resistance exercise and stretch combines a gentle muscular contraction against resistance followed by a controlled stretch. This technique may help improve flexibility, increase range of motion, reduce muscle tightness, improve movement patterns, improve muscle and joint function. Because the patient actively participates in the resistance and stretching, this is an active form of physiotherapy. Individual fee, $70. 3. Short-wave diathermy, $70. Short-wave diathermy is used to provide therapeutic deep heating to appropriate tissues. It may help increase local circulation, warm muscles and soft tissues, reduce stiffness, improve tissue flexibility, prepare tissues for stretching or manual treatment. Individual fee, $70. 4. Ultrasound therapy, $70. Therapeutic ultrasound uses sound wave energy as a physiotherapy modality for appropriate soft tissue and musculoskeletal conditions. Depending on the patient's condition, ultrasound may be used to provide therapeutic effects within soft tissues, help address areas of soft tissue restriction, complement stretching and manual therapy, support mobility and rehabilitation, prepare tissues for other treatment. Individual fee, $70. 5. Cupping therapy, $60. Cupping uses controlled suction over the skin and underlying soft tissues. It may help improve local circulation, reduce muscle tightness, improve soft tissue mobility, address areas of muscular and fascial restriction, complement stretching and other physiotherapy. Individual fee, $60. 6. Graston technique, $60. Graston technique is an instrument-assisted approach used to work on muscles, fascia, and other soft tissues. It may help address soft tissue restriction, improve tissue mobility, reduce muscular tightness, improve flexibility, improve movement and range of motion, complement chiropractic adjustments and therapeutic stretching. Individual fee, $60. 7. Neck traction, $50. Neck traction applies a controlled, gentle stretching force to the cervical spine. When clinically appropriate, cervical traction may help gently stretch the neck, improve cervical mobility, reduce muscle tension, temporarily reduce mechanical pressure, improve movement between cervical joints, complement chiropractic adjustments and exercise. Neck traction is not appropriate for every patient, so its use is based on examination findings. Individual fee, $50. 8. Flexion extension traction, $70. Flexion extension traction uses a specialized chiropractic table to create controlled movement of the spine. We believe appropriate movement is an important component of spinal function. Flexion extension treatment may be particularly useful as part of a treatment program for certain disc-related conditions, including some disc bulges, when clinically appropriate. Potential benefits include improving spinal mobility, creating controlled movement around spinal joints and discs, reducing stiffness, improving flexibility, gently mobilizing the spine, reducing mechanical stress in appropriate patients. Because every disc condition is different, we evaluate the patient before determining whether flexion extension traction is appropriate. Individual fee, $70. 9. Counter-strain facilitation release, $70. Counter-strain facilitation release is a gentle manual technique designed to address areas of muscular tension, spasm, and restricted movement. Depending on the patient's condition, it may help reduce muscle spasm, reduce muscular tension, improve flexibility, improve range of motion, improve comfortable movement, complement chiropractic adjustments and other physiotherapy treatments. The technique is selected according to the patient's examination findings and individual needs. Individual fee, $70. Individual physiotherapy fees at a glance. Physiotherapy service, individual fee. Electrical stimulation, $65. Post-isometric resistance exercise and stretch, $70. Shortwave diathermy, $70. Ultrasound therapy, $70. Cupping therapy, $60. Graston technique, $60. Neck traction, $50. Flexion extension traction, $70. Counter-strain facilitation release, $70. Instrument massage is not offered as a standalone individual modality. It may be incorporated into an appropriate treatment package. Why do we offer different physiotherapy modalities? Every patient is different. One patient may have primarily joint restriction, while another may have muscle spasm, limited flexibility, soft tissue restriction, reduced range of motion, or a disc-related problem. That is why we do not believe every patient should automatically receive exactly the same therapy. Following your examination, we can select the modalities that are appropriate for your particular condition and treatment goals. Individual treatments or discounted packages. Patients may purchase the individual physiotherapy services listed above, or they may choose one of our discounted physiotherapy packages described in Part 1. For patients who require multiple treatments, purchasing a package may provide substantial savings compared with purchasing the individual modalities separately. Remember that qualifying packages number 2, number 5, and number 7 are $650. If purchased within the applicable promotional period after your initial visit, the $150 you paid for your first visit is credited toward the qualifying package, reducing the remaining amount to $500. Our purchased packages also do not expire unless the package itself is changed, replaced, or discontinued by our office. Which physiotherapy treatment is right for you? You do not need to decide which treatment you need before coming to our office. Our $150 initial visit includes a physical examination, report of findings, physiotherapy, and chiropractic adjustment. This gives us an opportunity to evaluate your condition and discuss which treatment options may be appropriate for you. Soft Touch Chiropractic. Dr. Masood Shamizadeh, DC, 8188-310-100. Call us if you have questions about chiropractic adjustments, individual physiotherapy services, or our discounted treatment packages. Fees, promotions, Package terms and available services are subject to change. Treatment recommendations depend on individual examination findings and clinical appropriateness. No specific treatment outcome is guaranteed.